Very good day, everyone, and welcome to my class. Today, I'll just be looking at educating us on how to use, on how to continue, on how to um, use the Edmodo platform, or how I use the Edmodo platform. It's actually very nice and fun to be with. This is my computer class because I teach computer and use my computer. So I use Edmodo a lot. Like if you notice from my class here, you find out that the class is locked. This is actually very nice when it comes to security measures in Edmodo. Now I have to get to know who is coming into the class. I have to approve the person and be sure of non-members of the class joining my class. So I could just go up here, click there, and the option comes in to unlock. That will lock. So if I click the unlock, and once it's unlocked, I click on done. I'm able to do that. Then I can go back, and now the class code is out. Then I can click on members to see who probably have been trying to maybe join the class, but unfortunately there ain't anybody. So these are actually some of my students, you know, in the class. So going back to it, so I use computer a lot for my classes, and like I give them this is a video I give them, and I also attached a PowerPoint file to back up my video. And if you look at the video, I just give them a video on what the binary, looking at data and binary. So the kids get to watch the video and learn one or two things from there, and also attach the PowerPoint presentation to the class to also help those that probably having challenges with the video. They could actually use the PowerPoint to at least get along with the class. Then I have replies from my comments and replies from the kids, making comments and saying one or two things in the class. And so I'm saying, yeah, thank you, teacher. The video was very interesting. So they're like present in class. So I have my students coming into class, you know, from time to time, getting to know what is going on. So Edmodo is actually very good. You know, um, going through most of them. So I've tried as much as possible to give them. I also try as much as possible to give them assignments. Yeah, after every class, I do that. Like we have an assignment here, which I give them to do, and we have a good number of them have submitted. Some have not viewed it, and all that. So we have the class just like that, where we have assignments. Sometimes I do create polls for my students to actually give their suggestions for the class to know if at all they are going to want to continue the class or not. So it actually helps a lot. It's nice. I also try as much as possible to make sure I give them quiz sometimes to test their knowledge of what they've been taught in class. So I have that. We have a series of assignments we've given them to actually test their knowledge and everything. So it's actually good with the computer where you get to play probably video and it helps them to this is your computer teacher, Mr. Savior, and today we'll be looking at data and binaries and what. You may have seen. So yeah, just some of them like that to give to it. So the admin is actually very good where you have a lot of options that you can actually use to work. So I think the admin is actually very nice. Thank you so much for your time, and I believe Edmodo is one of the best systems for learning online that I've seen so far. I believe they should keep it up and keep working. Thank you.